Wow, friends, look at this. Here, lots of amazing, dirty plane and dirty vehicles. This is my collecting bucket, and here, friends, lots of amazing, dirty toy and vehicles. So let's start to collect the toys and planes. At first, my friends, a big jet fighter plane. Wow, also collect and put it here. And next, my friends, another big planes. Wow, collect and put it here. And next, my friends, a racing car. Wow, dirty racing car. Collect and put it here. And next, a small plane. Wow, amazing small plane. Also collect and put it here. And next, my friends, a small truck. Wow, amazing small truck. Collect and put it here. And next, my friends, a jet plane. Wow, amazing yellow color jet plane. Also collect and put it here. And next, my friends, a big plane. Wow, big plane. Also collect and put it here. And next, another small jet plane. Also put it here. Wow, a racing car. And next, a helicopter. Guys, dirty helicopter. Put it here. And last choice, a vehicles, truck vehicles. Collect and put it here. So friends, here lots of amazing dirty plane and vehicles. Wow, friends, water, friends, amazing fresh water. At first, a dirty helicopter. Wow, amazing dirty helicopter. After wash the helicopter, wow, my friends, look at this. Amazing super duper premium quality green color helicopter. Wow. Put it down. And next, my friends, a jet plane. Wow, amazing jet plane. A orange color jet plane. After watch the jet plane. Oh, my friends, look at this. Wow, this is amazing super duper orange color jet plane. Put it down. And next, my friends, a plane. Wow, amazing white color plane. After watch the plane. Wow, my friends, look at this. This is amazing super duper white color combination, premium quality aeroplane. Put it down. And next, my friends, a car, racing car, blue color racing car. After watch the racing car. Wow, friends, wow, what is this? This is also a robot. Wow, amazing super duper premium quality racing car and robot. Wow, friends, put it down. And next, my friends, another yellow color fighter plane. Wow, amazing. After watch the plane. Yes, my friends, look at this. This is amazing premium quality jet aeroplane. Put it down. And next, my friends, another big jet plane. Wow, amazing fighter jet plane, big jet plane. After watch the jet plane. Oh, friends, look at this. What is this? This is amazing super duper army jet fighter plane. Put it down. And next, my friends, another car. Wow, like red color car. After wash the car. Yes, my friends, look at this. This is amazing super duper premium quality red color racing car. Wow, put it down. And next, my friends, a truck, mini truck. After wash the truck, oh my friends, look at this. This is amazing, super duper premium quality small truck vehicles. Wow, put it down. And next, my friends, a big toys. Wow, like rocket launcher. After wash the toy, wow, friends, yes, look at this. This is amazing, super duper premium quality rocket launcher. Wow. Put it down. And next, my friends, a big plane. Wow, amazing big plane. After wash the plane, wow, friends, amazing plane. After wash the plane, wow, friends, look at this. Wow, this is amazing blue and white color combination, super duper premium quality big aeroplane. Wow. Put it down. And next and last toys, friends, a big dirty toys like truck. Wow, after wash the toy, wow, friends, look at this. Wow, yes, this is also a truck vehicles. Wow, put it down. So friends, here lots of amazing toy and vehicles and plane. Wow.